Good afternoon to you and the viewers. See what we are seeing on Bank Nifty. One very interesting aspect is Bank Nifty has broken the low which it formed on 25th of March, whereas Nifty has yet to break that low. So we have to keep a close watch because the leader in this up move when it was happening about a week back was Bank Nifty, and now Bank Nifty is leading on the downside, which remains a sign of concern. In today's session, we formed a low on Bank Nifty somewhere around the zone of around 32,340. So I think 32,300 is going to be an important level to keep a watch. If by today or tomorrow we again retest and break that level, then yes, the selling pressure can intensify from here. And on upside, crossing back above that 33,000 mark is going to be important. So I think overall we can be stuck in a range. If the low gets taken out on Bank Nifty, another round of selling can start. We can then head towards 32,000 level, and 33,000 is the key level on the resistance on the upside. As far as Nifty goes, I think we should move broadly in a range. If you look at Nifty movement, there has been a sharp fall even before. Then there was a sharp rise in past 2 or 3 days that we saw. Again, a sharp fall. So it's a state of confusion for most of the traders or investors who are trying to be betting on the upside or the downside. One very important aspect on Nifty is also that it's giving a false break. So if you are buying above that breakout level, you get trapped on the downside. It reverses sharply, and if you are selling below that previous low levels, you again get trapped. So in this kind of a market, I think range bound trading strategy should work well. If it goes towards the level of 14,500 or 14,450, maybe you can initiate a buy with a very strict stop loss of around 14,300 levels on the downside that you have to keep a watch. And on the upside, 14,750 is the major hurdle which it has to cross for any positivity.
Okay, Alika.
All right. Yeah, I think Bank Nifty really is the cynosure of all eyes at this juncture. Massive, massive fall seen over there. Ashish, anything in one of those individual stocks that you'd like to flag off? In fact, very quickly, I think I'll just see some of those. What is it actually that's contributing the most significantly to that? Okay, my screen's not refreshing, but anything in those in that pack that's really catching your attention in the BankX, and also, of course, share with us your topics.
Sure. See, in the banking, PSU had been a major dragger. PSU banks had been a major dragger. And if you look at the PSU banking space, then SBI along with PNB had continued the down move, and those stocks have been the reason why the major market has been collapsing. So SBI, I'm going to keep a very close watch. SBI has a very, very crucial support around that 349, 350 mark. So if SBI breaks that level, the selling intensifies, then I will be on the short side with this specific stock. So I'll keep a watch on SBI or PNB or Canara Bank. The entire index is down by nearly 3-4% itself on the PSU banking space. So PSU banking is the laggard. Do not try to bottom fish here as of now. We have to wait in case the buying emerges. And from the individual stock pick perspective, I think the first one is going to be Manappuram Finance. The stock has continued to drag down after it touched 180 about a few weeks back, and it has not shown any kind of recovery since then. Even today, it's forming a bearish engulfing pattern, completely engulfed, not bearish engulfing, but completely gave away all the gains of the prior day. So it looks like bearish, reverse from the important 20 days average also. So Manappuram one can short, keeping a stop loss of 155 for the target of 140. And on the buy side, we can see pharma starting to outperform, and Dr. Lal Path has shown a very sharp recovery on the upside. Good momentum in this kind of a market and bucking the overall broader index trend. So Dr. Lal can be considered as a buying opportunity. Maybe if you get dip, it's better. Stop loss can be 2,770 for the target of 3,074.
Labs and sell on Manappuram. Ashish, appreciate your time. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, let's also get in some insight as to what the